Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona, Florida. So Harvest was the winner of a Euphoria Xpert complete audio build giveaway. He brought us down his Harley Davidson Road Glide. He already had 8-inch lids, so it made it easier for us. He had some audio done on the bike. We removed it and started over. So we went all Euphoria Xpert. Since the Xpert amplifiers are so big, we had to put them in the tour pack. Luckily, this bike had a tour pack. So we started with the factory radio, we flashed it, ran into the Euphoria DSP, the EDSP 31. Then from, we used a custom NVS Audio T harness to feed signal from the radio into the DSP. Then from the DSP, we ran the RCAs back to the tour pack, where we ran an EXM 900.4 and an EXM 3000.1. We did a set of the Euphoria Carbon 10s. He let us seal and port the bags so to get the most space possible. So we did Euphoria Xpert Carbon 10-inch mid bass, powered by the 3000.1 in the tour pack. We use an NVS Audio AK4 amp wiring kit, so it's 0 gauge from the battery. He already had an upgraded lithium battery on the bike, and then 4 gauge runs to the amplifier fused under the brake side cover. In the fairing, ran off the EXM 900. We did EX6 NCDCF in the fairing, and for the lids we did EX8 NSBs for the lids. So the entire bike was Euphoria Xpert, sounded phenomenal. Nice clean build, no amplifiers in the fairing, all the amps were in the tour pack. We laid them out nice and neat. He was thrilled with the way the bike sounded. We loved the way the bike sounded, he loved the way the bike sounded. We were glad we were able to do this for him, and check out the build. It came out really, really good.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. 'Cause I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to back and forth with the bullshit. I know I said it before, I don't mean it. It's been a while since I had your attention. So it might hurt to
searching for that silver lining, horizons that I've never seen. Oh, I'd like to take just a moment and dream my dream. Oh, dream my dream.
Carlos.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona, Florida. So Harvest is the winner of our Euphoria Xpert giveaway. He's from right here in Florida. Did the full install. How does it sound?
Oh, awesome. Awesome. Over and beyond what I expected. I knew it would be great, but man, I can't wait to get back around my buddies.
Awesome. Thank you for trusting us.
All right, Carlos. Thank you.